At Intermat 2012, a number of manufacturers were showing off hybrids, but Komatsu has been doing it for over 4 years. There's 1,800 of these machines working worldwide, and it's now in its second generation. I think they know a thing or two about hybrid technology.
In the search to reduce emissions and fuel consumption, we've become used to the idea of hybrids in our cars. Now, the technology is moving to construction equipment.
The cab of the HB215 Komatsu's second generation hybrid is the same as any other Dash 8 cab. The monitor's the same, the controls are the same, but the monitor's got a very clever graphic that shows the regeneration of what's going on with energy. It's a strange cab to sit in, really, but not in respects of it being uncomfortable. It's a very nice place to sit. But where this one differs is in the way that the engine performs. There's lots of witchcraft going on behind. The operating characteristics of this slew motor system means it's got to harvest energy, it's got to recover energy, and the only way it can do that is when you let go of the slew control, like this. Yeah, there is a bit of overrun, but it is storing energy up in that capacitor to give you a fuel saving.
However, Komatsu are the first to admit it's not for everybody. They'll only sell the machine to a customer that they think has the right application with plenty of cyclic slewing to make it work.
To get the best out of this hybrid, it's no good just sticking it in a straight line digging a trench or just putting a rock breaker on the end of it. This machine needs to be slewing to take full advantage of its clever technology. So you've heard of smoke and mirrors. Well, here is the witchcraft department.
Plant buyers are a conservative bunch. They're a bit worried about AdBlue, DPF, DOC, how does it work? Mention hybrid, they're going to be even more concerned. But there's no need to worry with this. Komatsu are offering a 4-year, 10,000 hour warranty on all the hybrid components.
Action.
So what do we think of Komatsu's hybrid excavator? Well, digs just as well as a PC210. It's certainly going to carry a premium for all that expensive technology, but the potential's there for some real fuel savings. You're looking at the future of excavators.